Welcome to our channel. Today we're bringing you the top 7 essential power tools that every DIY enthusiast, professional, or homeowner should consider adding to their arsenal. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. Digital Smart Multimeter. The B-Side S10-S11 Digital Smart Multimeter is a must-have for anyone dealing with electrical work. Its color LCD display offers a crystal-clear view of readings, ensuring accuracy for every task. With features like 9999 count measurement capability, this device can handle DC, AC voltage, capacitance, resistance, diodes, frequency, and non-contact voltage testing. Compact and user-friendly, the multimeter is perfect for both professionals and beginners who want reliable performance in a sleek design. Number 6. Ink Drawing Marker. The automatic rewinding carpentry ink drawing line marker is a versatile and efficient tool for precise line marking. Equipped with high-strength nylon thread, this compact device ensures thin, accurate, and semi-permanent lines resistant to scratches and stains. Its 15-meter enclosed self-winding reel is easy to disassemble and replace, making it perfect for carpentry, metalworking, and even artistic projects like Chinese paintings or clay sculptures. With its wide-ranging applications, this ink marker is both practical and innovative. Number 5. Faucet Wrench Tool. The 8-in-1 sink faucet wrench is a game-changer for plumbing repairs and installations. Its open slot style provides easy access to supply lines, while the strainer basket accessory secures drain units during adjustments. The extra-long design makes it ideal for reaching mounting nuts in tight spaces. This multifunctional tool also includes a bubble-level rule for precise alignment, ensuring accurate installations every time. Whether you're working on kitchen sinks or bathroom faucets, this wrench simplifies even the trickiest tasks. Number 4. Electric Car Jack. The 12-volt 5-ton electric car jack kit is the ultimate vehicle maintenance tool. This multifunctional kit includes an electric jack, impact wrench, air pump, flashlight, and more, all housed in a durable storage case. Powered by a DC 12-volt car charger, it delivers reliable performance with low noise and high speed. The hydraulic jack allows quick tire changes, while the impact wrench features high torque for efficient operation. Suitable for SUVs, CRVs, and other vehicles, this all-in-one kit ensures safety and convenience for on-the-go repairs. Number 3. Mijia Electric Drill. The Xiaomi Mijia brushless electric drill combines power and precision in a lightweight portable design. Weighing just 870 grams, this cordless drill features brushless motor technology for efficient and long-lasting performance. With 30 Nm torque power, it handles tough tasks effortlessly, while the Smart HD display provides precise control and feedback. Equipped with a Type-C rechargeable battery, this drill offers quick and convenient recharging, making it a dependable companion for home and professional projects alike. Number 2. Cable Tie Gun. The stainless steel cable tie gun is a specialized tool for secure and efficient cable management. With an automatic fastening and cutting function, it streamlines tasks, saving you time and effort. Designed for cable sizes ranging from 4.6 mm to 19 mm, this gun is crafted from durable special tool steel for long-lasting use. Perfectly suited for stainless steel cable ties, this tool ensures reliable fastening, making it indispensable for electricians, technicians, and anyone working with wiring. Number 1. Car Polisher Machine. The Basis Car Polisher Machine is a cordless, adjustable speed solution for professional-grade car polishing and waxing. Lightweight and ergonomic, this wireless tool is easy to handle and delivers consistent results. Its adjustable speed settings allow you to tackle various surfaces with precision, from delicate waxing to thorough polishing. Ideal for auto detailing enthusiasts and professionals, this machine saves time while providing a flawless finish, leaving your vehicle looking brand new. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.